Here's the entrance behind me. Let's just take you guys for a walk around. Actually, the biggest, the most interesting booth was actually GFC because they got all the other brands there together with them. So yeah, let's take a look around. Of course, the Vape Expo booth is massive. A lovely lady.
Maybe I'll go Uber there, grab some stuff. Or if you want to do it, that's fine. Yeah. If you want to do it, that's fine.
Perfect, right?
When the road gets tough, you're enough. I don't know how I deserve you. You know I'll always keep on coming back to you. Even when the road gets tough, you're enough. I don't know how I deserve you.
My sponsor, Seno, also at the party.
To you.
There we go, me and Bogan, we're leaving the premises. Bogan is coming back tomorrow. I'll be driving home.
Yeah.
So look how happy he is. He's going to his family.
Gotta watch some football. Come on, the Arsenal.
Oh, he's going Arsenal!
Hopefully by the time you fuckers see this, Arsenal will be EFL Cup champions.
Yeah, you hear that. Yeah, it's gonna take me a week to edit it all, so yeah. Yeah, you like the beers I brought you?
I did, I love it.
I love it.
Delicious.
Oh, so I'll just need to bring the same ones next year.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
I think my favourite was the first one, the Nipo.
Oh, the Nipo. That was really French.
Yeah, Juicy Lucy.
Juicy Lucy, yeah.
Lucy.
Yeah.
Great name,
Great name, great beer. So yeah, this was the expo. And now I'm heading to the cabin in the woods. See if my missus is still alive. The dog didn't either. Apparently the dog is alive. And Sabina is also still alive at the cabin in the woods. As you can see, so the dog didn't eat Sabina. All good news. And a wonderful expo. A little bit too much of those refillable, disposable kind of type of devices. But yeah, GFC actually, yeah, saved because they arranged Thundercloud there, Early Bird. There were some nice brands there. It was nice to connect and see the people behind everything in person. So yeah, I enjoyed myself. That's the important part of an expo. Vaping big. Well, yeah, we'll stay here for one night and we'll have yeah, a great dinner this evening. And we'll drive back tomorrow. We'll not stay there for the Monday Expo. Sabina is already looking up. If a restaurant over there. There she is. She's pretending to read a book, but she's on the phone. You see, she's cheating. Vape life matters.